Hello, Jane Cleland here. Talk about commas, part 2. How do I use them properly to connect two independent clauses? Well, let me start by telling you what you can't ever do, and that's use a comma to connect two independent clauses. Two independent clauses. That's a sentence. That's what an independent clause means. It could stand alone as a sentence. This error is so common it actually has a name. It's called a comma splice. You cannot ever connect an independent clause to another independent clause using only a comma. You need a coordinating conjunction. There are 7 coordinating conjunction, and they form the acronym boys, fan, but, or, yet, so, for, and, nor. I want her to go to the party. That's a sentence, an independent clause. My car broke down. That's an independent clause, a sentence. I think it would be better writing to connect them because there's a dependency there. I can't just put a comma though. I could put a semicolon. But, semicolons aren't really used all that much. So what I think would be the best solution is to use a coordinating conjunction. But if I do so, I have to put a comma before it. I wanted to go to the party, comma, but my car broke down. Now we're talking. That is a very common and appropriate use of a comma. You'll be known as an educated professional when you get it right. I know you can do it.